Have you ever thought they should make a traditional analog style watch into a smartwatch? Just keep the classic clean look and feel of a traditional watch with all the features of a smartwatch? Well, the Fossil Gen 5e might be the smartwatch for you. With a stainless steel bezel, stylish straps, and capability for both Android and iOS users with an affordable price tag, it might just be the perfect stylish smartwatch. That is, if it's any good. Well, on paper, there are a lot of great things about this smartwatch. The first thing that you'll notice is the design. The design prioritizes style and fashion over utility, unlike the vast majority of other smartwatches. For straps, there are a variety of options available for both men and women, with metal or leather options depending on your style. It has a standard 44mm casing, however, the 1.2-inch screen is slightly smaller than a lot of other similarly priced smartwatches. One key difference you'll notice is a sort of serrated edge style that goes around the outside of the bezel, which is not something you'll see on many smartwatches. I personally prefer the cleaner, simpler look, but I can't deny this is definitely something I could see a lot of people being drawn towards, and it could really work with someone's style. It has a nice traditional weight too. It really feels like a classic wristwatch. Overall, the watch's looks speak for themselves. The performance is the real question mark here. And well, there are some good and bad things to talk about. The watch comes complete with almost all the fitness tracking features you could want. It accurately tracks sleep and steps, as well as a ton of other activity. The user experience when wearing the watch is fast and smooth. There's little to no lag when scrolling through the menus or moving from screen to screen. It comes with one button on the side of the smartwatch, and this single button adds a lot of style points, but it does reduce the ease of use. I would have really liked to see it function as a dial in addition to have another scrolling option. Sometimes I want to avoid touching my screen. It comes complete with Google Assistant built in, and Voice Assistant works great. The mic isn't the best thing in the world, so in rooms where there's a lot going on, it might struggle to hear or understand you, but in normal circumstances, it works fine. It is fully water resistant, so you can take it out when it's raining, wear it in the shower, or even take it for a swim and you don't have to worry about it. A big plus that I was kind of surprised about is just how functional it can be as a fitness tracking device. It has a built-in GPS along with onboard storage, so you can take it with you for a run or leave your house without having to bring your phone. However, one big downside is that you cannot download music directly from Spotify, so for music lovers or Spotify users, this could easily be a deal breaker. The battery life is questionable. You can expect to require charging of the smartwatch every single day in the daily battery mode. There are options to extend the battery life with the extended battery version, which means you'll lose out on some features, but you can also expect to get an extra day or two out of the battery. Charging, on the other hand, is rather solid, requiring only approximately 1 hour to fully charge. This is one of the rarer smartwatches that will work both for iOS and Android, so it's a great alternative for an Apple user looking for something more traditional. So is it worth buying? Well, if you like the style, then you'll love the smartwatch. It looks great and it works well. If you're looking for something with more performance, I would suggest you look elsewhere like Samsung or an Apple Watch. For those of you interested in something similar but want more ease of use, the Fossil Gen 5 offers a great balance between the two at a very similar price point despite it being a couple years old. It definitely has a bit more of a smartwatch look, but it's very stylish and it comes with extra buttons on the side which can be customized and a larger screen with more onboard storage. Other than that, the two are identical. If you're someone who wants a traditional looking watch with all the benefits of a smartwatch, the Fossil Gen 5e is a great option. Well, that's my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Fossil Gen 5e. Do you think it's worth buying? Subscribe if you're new to the channel and want more short, informative tech videos, and like the video if you found it helpful. Till next time.